Отиваме на планината на Витоша. Здравей, Ники! Харесва ли ти тук, мамо? Да, още една кабинка. Ники, айде изпеем на татко ти песничката за Itsy Bitsy Spider. Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and washed the rain away. So the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Браво, Ники! Хе-хе! Кажи здравей, Дада!
Здравей, Дада!
Ние се возиме с лифта. There's the city behind us and the mountain in front of us, but we still can't see the top of it because it's hidden behind this hill. And when we get there, we'll show it to you. And right now we are in one of these things. One of these things. Okay, we're gonna have to continue the movie when we get on top of the mountain, and Nikki is gonna try to sing you another song because right now he is busy. Here's Mama. Mama. Here's Nikki. And we'll see you later, Dada.